What's the problem here?
Ella is angry.
Why is she angry?
House is angry.
Ate Ella is angry. You have to say, Ate Ella, sorry. You have to say sorry there. You know why she's angry? Because you are so loud and baby brother is sleeping.
No.
You are loud. You have to say sorry.
No.
You have to.
No.
Agad, piskot. So what is Mama cooking? You know what Mama cooking?
No.
I'm cooking spaghetti bolognese.
No.
Nam nam. I'm cooking nam nam. Okay. You have to say guten Tag. Say guten Tag.
No.
Hi, guten Tag.
I'm the dog.
You know? Huh?
I'm the taco.
You're the caca?
Yeah.
Yucks. That's not good.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw. You stay with Papa because Mama can finish cooking.
No.
Or you stay in your room, you play.
No, Ella is angry.
Ella is angry. Why is she angry?
Because the door and the daddy.
Yeah?
Ito asa I pay as sa I was homework.
That's all, folks. I'm very angry too if you keep talking so loud. We have to take care of Francis now.
Quiet, Francene.
Go inside and talk. Yeah. Say something.
Nalu! Nagising na, oh! Nagising na, guys! Nagising na ang natulog. Nakaamoy siya sa ano? Sa ating paniudto. Namasiyo sila, namasiyo. Ayan. Kakain na kami, kakain. Kain na kami. Francene, come on, we eat. B. Loh, grabe, maragi bagyo dito, oh. Come on, we eat. Maragi bagyo. Parang di bagyo. Come on. You clean up later, ha? Bagyo, guys. Sus. Kamamo, mantaper mi ani, oy. Ano lang yung tawon ni ba? Hindi pa ako, oh. Buho ko ba? Wala man tayong arte doon. Maka-ano lang ako, makapangarte. Makakapag-ayos lang ako pag ano. Pag mayroong okasyon or pag lumalabas, pag tuyuan good, pag sasadyain talaga pwede naman mag-ayos, pero inuuna ko kasi talaga itong mga housework, guys, tsaka ako bahala na yan, nagkagidlay dyan, oy. No? Pero paminsan-minsan nagpapaganda din naman si Mama. Ay, hungry? Taas ng tulog ba? Nagnap siya, ngayon lang siya nagising, pero nagising siya, tiniming niya din, guys, tingkain. Igo lang kung di pa ako magluto sa tigol. Dong. Bigat, oh. Bigat na to, guys. Sinigat ni Francene. Okay, come on now, we eat. This is spaghetti here. Kain na kami, eh. Spaghetti, nam-nam. Mama cook nam-nam. Pa, come on pa. Kain tayo, kain. Kain kasi gutom na, eh. What are you eating? Toast. Francine is eating brown toast.
Tomato sauce.
With tomato sauce. Spaghetti sauce. Steker?
Yeah.
Yeah? Francine is not eating man og sauce, oy.
Yeah.
You don't like sauce, be?
Yeah.
Wala mang sauce na iyaha, oy. Ang Francis, oh.
Now I eat.
Kain.
I put a wet apple.
Ha?
I put a wet apple.
Oh, come on, Bart. Go back to your chair now.
Put away.
Yeah. Come on, go back to your chair. Careful. Kain tayo, eh.
Good appetit.
Dankeschön.
Wir haben uns lieb.
Mama.
Mo juice? Juice na kuan man ni, oh. Lemon lemon ug ginger tea.
Parang brown kung ada drink.
Painom ko sa kanila, guys, para
Yeah.
Kain. Oh, yummy
You
cookies.
found something still?
Again. Oh, what's it? Where is Francene? Where is Francene? I see you. Where is Francis? Where is Francis? I see. Uy, this not Nam Nam. Come on, you finish eating?
No.
Are you finished, Francine? You're not done, Manbe. Come on, finish it.
On. Where's the moon there?
Busog mo, Day?
Mama.
It's full?
Mama.
Has the full?
Mom.
Yeah, it's
No,
good for
Mama.
What is
Mama.
So what is in there? Moon? Sun. It's the sun.
Mama, not son.
No, sun. Here.
Mama. The moon.
There's moon? Ah, yeah, there's already moon. Nanay moon, oh. I thought she's joking with the moon.
Moon.
Yeah, merong moon na guys. Oh, nandun. Hindi nyo maklaro eh. Da.
Oh.
So it's not, I was there and she said, Mama, there's moon. And I said, no, it's sun. Because it's sunshine. I found out there's really moon.
The postman. And they have a mango has a mango. And they do Mama.
Okay.
Not you.
Not Naomi. What should I do?
Yeah.
Huh? Hello, brother. Brother is holding there? Yeah, that's good, brother. Brother.
Mama,
You wanna help?
one is a take up.
You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful.
One is not you.
Naomi? What
Yeah.
should I do?
Yeah. Have the mother is youngest that at the mango and mango.
You say good morning, guys. Okay. What should you say?
Mama.
Watch out. No, don't put it like that. You're gonna break the... No, just hold it. Uy, brother will take that. Yeah, like that. No.
No, not forward.
Not far away. But be careful on brother, huh? Okay. Okay.
Now, catching the forest is the youngest and the last is Halloween.
It's Halloween.
Yeah.
It will be like that. Put it right, because it will break. Okay. Okay.
But the my butter.
Okay.
Butter, the toast, you that and the oven. Now, and you don't name it though. It's Halloween.
It's Halloween. You like
Yeah.
Halloween? What do you want? Christmas or Halloween?
Christmas.
Christmas. Why do you want Christmas?
Halloween.
Halloween.
I will play at your princess.
You're a princess. Okay. You're not a superhero in Halloween?
I'm the superheroes.
What superhero are you?
To
A what? Brother wants to take that. Say bye now. Say
Bye.
Because brother is here.
Bye-bye.
I play with brother. No, not there. Not there's the wrong one. Here.
Oh.
Here.
Oh.
Okay. But she cannot be in Faraday. You gotta watch out for Francene, huh? Huh? She doesn't know. Dito kami sa labas. Oy. Oh, so hot, so cold, no? Oh, saka to sa taas dong. Mga bata lang dito. Anak yan ng Filipina, guys ba? Ayan, yung naka-blue. Naggala siya dito. Watch out for Francene, ha? You should just be... Papa is there. Hello, Papa. Come. Brother. Okay, thank you. Hello. Boom, 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 boom. What did you say? What did you say?
Look at that. Let's see. You want to go to this side. All you have to do is go and move it like that. It's the same as the body part.
Bum.
See the wheels there?
Francene,